Hello there, future employer. Have a good day. I am Rachel Bermudo, 45 years old, married with two children, and they grew up. I graduate in Shaya National High School, Shayan, Zamboanga del Norte. Way back 2007 to 2013, I worked as a lady guard here in the Philippines, and I have work experience abroad in Kuwait for 2 years as a domestic helper. From 2015 to 2018, the house is second floor with 6 members, and I taking care 3 months old children, and I do household chores like cleaning, washing, washing dishes, and I also think about the children, change the diaper all the time. And I also work in Taiwan for 5 years in just one employer from 2018 to 2023. I taking care to older people. It's a couple. It both 85 years old, and the old man is bedridden, and I take a bath of them, change the diaper all the time, feed of them, uh, talk the blood pressure, blood sugar, and inject the insulin and give some medicine of them. And I also doing household chores like cooking simple dishes for the Taiwanese people. And I do the laundry, cleaning the house, and I love, I really love children and older people like my own child, my own family. When you hired me, these are my strengths because I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and flexible. I am hardworking because I work under pressure with quality, doing household chores and taking care of children and taking care of older people. I hope you will consider me as your household worker or nanny because I believe this is my position, this is a place I always been wanting for. Thank you and God bless us all.